You want to store your past broadcasts for 14 days or 60 days? Hey guys, it's Jay Cyan. You may know me from twitch.tv/JayCyan. And today I'm going to be showing you guys how to save your past broadcasts right after you're done streaming. Go to your Twitch just by going to twitch.tv or twitch.tv/your username and go to your top right corner on your profile. Go to the top right of your profile by clicking here and then go ahead and click on Creator Dashboard. You go to Settings, go to Stream, and then you go click this button where it says Store Past Broadcast. Now keep in mind, if you are a regular Twitch user, you can only save your broadcast for up to 14 days, which means you can only keep them for 14 days. But if you want to download the whole thing, I believe you can highlight your whole VOD. I'm not entirely sure. I can show you how to do that in just a moment. If you are a Amazon Prime user, go ahead and connect your Prime account to your Twitch account by Googling Amazon Prime or something, like type in Amazon and Twitch link. You can go ahead and link them to each other. But if you're a Twitch partner, you can keep your VODs for 60 days without even having an Amazon Prime account. You could just do this by becoming a Twitch partner, or you can become a Twitch Turbo user, which I can show you right here in just a moment. If you just go to Google, I'll just type in Twitch Turbo. There it is, Twitch Turbo. I'll leave these links in the description. And essentially you get ad-free stuff, you get the chat badge, you get expanded new emotes and stuff, just like you would get with Prime Gaming. Custom chat user colors, extended broadcast storage, like I said, 60 days for $8.99 a month. Or you can just simply do that by subscribing to one streamer. If you only watch one or two streamers, you can do that. As for the Prime users, I'm gonna go ahead and go to Google and show you how to do that right now by typing in how to link Amazon Prime to Twitch at the top right there. Go ahead and do that by clicking on this. I'll be sending these links in the description if you guys need them, and it just automatically takes me to Prime Gaming because I already signed in with my Twitch here. They updated it a lot, so I'm not sure. There it is. Look, how to link Amazon Prime to Twitch. There you go. I can go ahead and send you guys this link if you need it, so that way you guys can follow along with it. Top right corner. Yeah, I'll go ahead and send these links in the description if you guys need them in order to expand how many days you guys can keep your VODs. Mine stay for 60 days since I am a Prime user. Assuming you need help with your stream setups, I have a couple of videos right here if you want to check them out, and I see you guys there. Peace.